This is a very important event for Deloitte. Today we saw a congregation of automotive OEMs, and the beauty is it was from passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, two-wheelers, Indian and global players. We had auto component players, we had startup ecosystems, we had big tier ones. All of them were with us today.
I'm super excited when I'm seeing how the automotive digital aftermarket is redefined. It's a true revolution. I'm just stepping out of the Deloitte Automotive CXO forum, and this has been a super exchange between OEMs, tier ones, and also tech players and regulatory bodies in order to understand how we create an open ecosystem that is really shaping this value creation.
I think it's kind of a collection of the top brains of the automotive sector in India.
A strategy, SDV strategy, is not something that the company can do it on its own. The collaborative work has been coming again and again. We've seen that already by talking to peers in the industry. There are already established platforms that can be used, and I think we should focus on adding value to those rather than trying to build them from scratch.
See, for me, it's a great opportunity coming to our India, both for the consumer and also the industry, where innovation will in the front and consumer will get the benefit of this new technology.
Number one, getting the industry coming together to discuss about it. That was the first part, and where a lot of views came in from tier ones, other OEMs, and industry colleagues. So that is the best part. And second, got some use cases or industry relevant point of view from Deloitte in their labs. So that gave us some idea about it.
So for Deloitte, SDV is a massive focus area going forward, and we will want to be one of the premier driving consulting forces behind this.